Oh my God, it's big, Bryant. Oh my God. We're hooked up. We got. Oh my God. Made it to the spot. Looks great. Gonna see what kind of fish live in here. Do a full night crawler and toss it out deep. There we go. Got the worm on the bottom. Now I'm just gonna throw around a smaller pole. See if we can't catch some little green sunfish on the bank. Brian caught the first fish. Oh, that's a perfect size one.
Perfect greenie.
Oh my.
Took it right under.
Nice one. Perfect.
That'll do.
Heck yeah. Got a little piece of night crawler on a hook. No weights, no bobbers. And we're gonna see what happens here. There we go. Little bluegill, species number 2. Nice little bluegill. It is like 10 foot deep out there, guys. It don't look like much, but this is a bottomless pit right here. There's another one. These fish are fired up. All perfect size. Some flathead bait. Nice, beautiful colors on them too. Oh, there's one. Let's go. Oh shit. Throw them in there. Did you get another greenie? They're in the cooler.
I got it.
Yep, there's another one. Bluegill.
Tiny. That'd be a perfect
Oh, he
one.
freaking gilled it. Yeah, he gilled it. I'll just throw him in there. Right in there. That one bit right off the bank right here. Another greenie. Well, Bryant, looks like you're picking the bait spots from now on. Yep. We got something.
No way.
Not giant, but I think I am hooked up.
You are. What is it? Oh.
Second. Oh, bullhead.
Oh no, that's one of those.
No, it's a bullhead. What do we got here? That's a little better. About the same. I'll keep him. If we get some better ones, I'll throw him back. That's a good small river size. All right, guys, back out here for another night of catfishing. Hoping for a flathead. I haven't caught a flathead this year. I don't know if Bryant has or not.
Nope.
Bryant has not. A log jam, log pile, you could say, right down there. A deep rocky bank. River bend right here, real steep river bend, and got somewhat deep channel right here. We're just gonna kind of drop baits right here, throw some baits out towards those logs. Crappie for cut bait and a couple bluegills, but got some bluegill in here, and then we got one bullhead, and we got quite a few of these little greenies. Perfect size bait for this river. I'll give you $10 if you eat one.
I won't.
50?
No. I eat a minnow, but I ain't eating no frozen crappie.
I thought you liked sushi.
I do. For a whirl.
I got a feeling we're gonna catch something really quick on this cut bait, so I'm gonna try to keep that crappie cold. I think I got a bag to put it in. Just gonna drop it right there, folks. Main channel, 3 feet of water. Just like that. They've been hitting in the daytime.
They have been.
Look at my live greenie set up here. Is it kind of overkill?
No, look at mine.
Hell yeah. Great minds think alike. Right. Got some beautiful green sunfish here. Just gonna hook him right through the back.
If you want to watch my stuff.
My favorite, besides bullhead. I think I like bullhead just a little bit more. But can't go wrong with some nice green sunfish. With some rattles on there. That's the good stuff. There we go. Yes, sir.
Got one?
Oh my God, it's big, Bryant.
Oh my God.
I'm recording. I think that might be a flathead. No way.
Ooh,
Dude.
He's pulling it.
Oh, he popped off.
Oh, right here.
There was a flathead sitting right here.
Yep.
Bit on cut bait. That thing had to have been at least 30.
Holy cow.
Cut crappie.
Feeling that drag too.
I don't know if he was just sitting there or if he might have been coming down river.
That might have been the one that bit mine.
It could have been. Your pole's bending.
It's because I'm out in the current and the wind. The wind is catching my line.
That freaking sucks, man.
That's insane.
And then we got a little grocery bag full of, like I said, we got, oh, I forgot to mention, I did bring some garlic shrimp with me as well. And got a little variety of cut bait here. I think this is mostly bluegill, but there might be, yeah, a couple crappie chunks in there. Not gonna give it a whole bunch of time today, but I thought since the river came up and I have been seeing flatheads in this river, I'd go out and give it a shot. Ain't got a super good angle right here, but this section is loaded with logs and a couple really deep holes. So without further ado, let's get to fishing. Got a decent sized piece of cut bait there, and I'm just gonna kind of put this one out closer to the bank. Just seeing a gar surface right there. Just like that. Not super deep there, but like I said, it's a highway for big fish right here. Perfect cast. I'm gonna keep the drag somewhat tight. I am running circle hooks. I might relocate, check this bait, maybe do a little relocating. If I put it over here towards the bank, there's a fish right there. I could just drop it right off the dang bank, honestly. Fish are super active right now. I'm gonna toss this one. Toss this one right there. We got a log right there, so might get a little difficult landing a fish, but I'm always up for a challenge. But if it's a 50-pound flathead, we may end up having to go in the river. It's not that deep. Maybe 2 to 3 foot deep right out in the middle here. But there is some deep spots along this tight bend. It probably right now is around 6 to 8 feet deep. We're hooked up. Pretty sure I got a decent hook set, and I dropped it right off the bank. I had a feeling something might come cruising. I was just chopping about 20 minutes ago. What do we got? Is it a big channel? It might be what we're looking for. It feels like a freaking decent fish. I don't want it to go too far. There's a lot of sticks and stuff around here. Can't horse him a whole lot though. I got 30-pound tests. This is a pretty small rod for a big cat. Look at that. I think we got a big old channel cat, guys. Got a nice little log to land him on right here. That didn't take but 2 seconds. I just dropped this cut bait right into the water. We got a nice sized channel cat. I don't know if I'd be able to fight a 30-pound flathead with this rod. I thought maybe I could, but we got like a 8-pound, 7 or 8-pound channel cat, and that was tough. We still ain't got him in yet, but nice channel cat. Let's go, baby. Thank you so much for the awesome fight. I haven't had a fight like that in a while. All right, go make some babies. Boom, first fish of the day. Nice channel cat. Switching to night crawler, garlic, and yeah, we're gonna toss that out and see if anything's wanting to bite on night crawler. Put that fairly close to the bank because that's where night crawlers are. We're hooked up here, guys, with something pretty decent size. It looks like a big old channel cat. Holy cow, this fish just about snatched my rod into the water. Don't want him to get tangled up in that tree. Looks like he's kind of tangled, but I think I got him out of it. It's another good sized channel cat. I seen something swirling out there and I was hoping it'd go pick up my bait, and sure enough it did. It's kind of dogging me right now. This is a big channel cat. Not giant, but it is a nice size one. Holy smokes. That is a good fish, boys and girls. There we go. Holy smokes. That's definitely bigger than the last one. Beast of a channel cat. That is a nice, long, thick channel cat. Oh, she put up one hell of a fight. See you later. I'm gonna wrap up here, make sure my trash is all cleaned up, and probably hit the river tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch a flathead here soon. That's kind of what I'm shooting for. Didn't get one today, but wasn't really trying to necessarily target flatheads. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, we are out here for another night of fishing. Doing a solo trip for a good 3 or 4 hours tonight. Got the old gorilla wagon and got some rods. Got 4 rods here. Got a light rod, Then I got 3 bigger rods. I'm gonna throw some live bait and some garlic bluegill out. Cut bait, that is. Got a nice inlet that this pond connects to the river over here to my right. So I'm gonna toss a couple over there and then just a couple out to my left here as well. So let's do it. Like I said before, we're gonna toss this one towards the right. I need to move these rods because they're kind of in my way. I don't got a whole lot of room on the bank with this high water. But we're gonna toss this. Super shallow. Big old bluegill, should keep the gar off of it. We got something for oh, we got something here, guys. What do we got? Oh my god, it is a giant gar. Holy, that thing's huge. That's the biggest gar I've ever caught, pretty sure. I really want to land this fish. Can't believe I hooked it on this size of hook. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this here. Really don't want to get bit. Oh my god. Oh. It's freaking massive. That thing is giant. Maybe I land him over here. Might be easier. There we go. Holy, he ate a live bluegill. Oh my god, that's like a 10-pounder. Holy shit. Absolutely smoked the bluegill. Damn near ripped my rod in the water. What a true beast of a fish right here. Holy smokes. This thing is giant. He ate an 8/0 circle hook with a pretty decent sized bluegill on there. He is a beast. And I'm gonna let him go. Hopefully I can get this hook out of his mouth without getting my hand bit off. But that is awesome right there. I knew they were in here, and I've been fishing for him. He decided to hit the flathead pole, and holy smokes, what a cool catch. I'm gonna get him back now. Minute to rest here and watch him swim off. Yep, there he goes. Freaking monster, dude. All right, guys, I don't know how well you can see me right now, but I just kind of threw this video together. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of flathead catfishing and just catfishing with worms and hitting some creeks here in the near future. Got a lot of plans for this summer. Got a lot of fish to catch, a lot of adventures to go on. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like this type of content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.
Say subscribe.